Hey, it's Alex from Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. Today's Motoroso Minute, we're going to cover a couple of highlighted project builds that we found that were entered into the Optima Ultimate Streetcar Racing Series. All these builds were uploaded to Motoroso.com, which, if you're not aware, is a website where you can explore project builds as well as upload and share yours and tag parts and accessories right within the photo. And it's free to do so. We'd love to see your project builds. Go ahead and create a free account and start sharing your project builds. Now, don't forget that the Motoroso Marketplace is available at motoroso.com/shop, and it's a great place where you can browse hundreds of thousands of the top name brand products in the automotive aftermarket. Before we take a look at the builds, in case you're not aware of what the Ultimate Streetcar Racing Series is, let's just give you a quick overview. And it's not going to be long story short. It is a series where registered streetcars must be raced by their registered owners through a time trial autocross style cone course. And they have this event in a couple of different locations around the year, and then they have a final invitational that takes place out at Las Vegas during SEMA. And it's a great racing event, really cool builds, very flexible project cars that people can do almost anything they want to a project build, run almost any type of fuel, almost anything except nitro or alcohol. And it's a pretty awesome racing series. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these cars. Our first pick is Dave Eckerd's 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 40, which he ran in the 2013 series. Now, this unique project has a unique name, and it was clearly a labor of love. He basically combined all the best bits from a second generation Ford GT and installed those on a 1969 Mustang chassis and then customized the body. Now, this was a big project and probably very, very expensive, but it gets a huge thumbs up of approval from us. Pat Sheely's 2017 Ford Focus RS. No secret here, Ford Focus RS is one of my favorite hot hatchbacks, possibly my favorite ever. So pretty excited to see Pat take it into the Ultimate Streetcar Series, but really also take it to the next level. Pat's got carbon fiber door panels, fenders, hood, even a carbon fiber wide body kit, and a bunch of engine goodies. So he finished in the top 50 in 2018, and the rumor has it in 2019 he's going to give it a more aggressive go. So good luck, Pat. And pick number 4 is Michael Werner's 2008 CLK 63 AMG. And I picked this one because the only thing that depreciates faster than an AMG is an AMG race car. And I just love the fact that Michael's willing to take that thing, put it through the paces, and bite the bullet. Because listen, we're not in this because we're sensitive about money, are we? Here we're looking at Kurt Hill's 1972 Chevy Blazer. Kurt has this gentleman's Bronco set up as the good Lord intended. Slammed, hammer down, and balls out. And I don't know why I love it, but I do. Our next pick is Bruce Camburn's original 1966 Shelby Cobra. Now, with Carroll Shelby's passing, there is only one remaining original owner of a Shelby, and that owner is Bruce Camburn. There is so much to love about original Shelby Cobras, but the fact that Bruce lets his original Cobra run in the Ultimate Streetcar Series is just cool as hell, and we got to give major kudos to Bruce for not letting this piece of automotive history become a trailer queen. And lastly, we would be fools if we didn't give some love to Mike Dussold's 67 Camaro, which is an 1100 horsepower twin turbo beast. This build is absolutely sick, and Mike used it to win the 2018 Ultimate Streetcar Challenge overall. So Mike, congratulations for the win. Thank you for such a beautiful build, and thanks for showing us what the Ultimate Streetcar is supposed to look like. Now, when you're ready to turn your car into an Ultimate Streetcar, get your parts at the Motoroso Marketplace. Motoroso.com/shop, where you can browse hundreds of thousands of the top name brand products in the automotive aftermarket, sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free. Also check out Motoroso.com, where you can upload and share your build so that everybody can see what you've got going on. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future Motoroso Minute and how-to videos. Take care.